on-demand applications are growing at a faster pace than ever before. As per the Harvard Business Report, on-demand applications are attracting around 22.4 million customers. Also, the spendings on on-demand application is something around 5.76 billion US dollars, which shows its booming growth at a massive rate. This is the main reason to consider why startups should invest in on demand applications. Scanning on demand apps prove the finest mobility solutions for startups to get their business digital in 2022. Hi everyone, I'm Niyati and today I'm going to share why startups should consider on demand application as a key to get their businesses online. As of the latest report of October 21, around 5.76 people are using smart devices, wherein around 4.88 are internet users and 4.55 are social media users. You know why I'm sharing these facts with you? The reason is nowadays it is very easier to target your audiences via social platforms and see booming growth in your business. So if you are looking for an outdoor solution for your business, I must say you consider on-demand applications because it is the finest fit for your startup. However, you must be thinking why I'm only saying about on-demand applications. There are so many solutions available worldwide. But for that, you need to know about the business models of on-demand applications and their types. So let's start with it. On-demand application is a solution which lets customers and businesses meet at a single platform, and it allows consumers to get their services or product in their place, in their conveniency in most of the cases. It also has unique solution for mostly all businesses. So in most of the cases, it has become easier for customers to get their services, their products from their mobile phone anywhere, anytime, quickly, with multiple payout options in single platform. So many businesses are doing good with on-demand applications having their own solutions. So you also plan for it and get in touch with us with your idea. Now let me tell you the business models of on-demand applications. First, customer to customer. For an instance, you can consider Airbnb or Uber. Second, businesses to customers. For an instance, you can consider here Domino's. Third would be businesses to business. For an instance, you can consider Amazon or Urban Club. Now you must have seen how rapidly they have grown, how huge their businesses are. So you can consider an on-demand solution for your startup. Now let me say why on-demand applications or on-demand online solutions are so successful for startups. Many popular companies have already stepped into this on-demand solution and are growing at a rapid speed. The main purpose is that it brings customers and businesses to a single platform. It is very easiest for businesses to engage your customers via on-demand application, as an on-demand application provides services or goods to consumer anywhere, anytime in their conveniency with real-time tracking. It also provides consumer a facility to cancel their product or service anytime with single click, and it has expanded payout options in single platform. So that was from the consumer's point of view. And if we consider from the business point of view, business has many things to manage like staff, deliveries, products, services, accounts, and many more things. So in on-demand application or on-demand platforms allow you to manage all these things very easily. So if you're planning to get an on-demand application for your startup, do get in touch with us with a unique idea for your business. You can get in touch with us at sales@ibiixo.com, or you can even drop your details on our website. Links are in the description below. If you haven't thought about any good idea yet, you can check out our videos of multiple ideas of on demand applications you can plan for your startup. Links would be in the description below. So, I'm Niyati signing off from Ibiixo Studios today. Stay healthy, stay safe, and get in touch with us with a unique idea. Thank you. Bye bye.